Hello, my beautiful ones. I have a treat for you today. For those of you that have been asking for these concepts that are not talked about all the time, and for something that's way out there and really wild, I've got one for you. And the thing about this is, it's a real concept. It's a real thing. And what this is the phenomenon of walk-ins. Walk-in souls. What a walk-in soul is. Our soul, by the way, our soul is this limitless, beautiful existence. We are a soul that has just dropped into this body, okay? Now, there are instances, several different times in which, I'm not kidding guys, for real, another soul aspect can drop in to the body. And this is called a walk-in experience. Now, this can happen during crisis. This could happen if the native soul, the soul that was born into this body, is having trouble accomplishing the what it agreed to do on this planet, in this life. Walk-in souls are very pro-life. So if a very troubling time is going on and the human is just struggling to just go on, a soul walk-in may happen. Now, these souls, it's a soul agreement, okay? The native soul agrees to this so that this upgrade can happen. It's a leveling up of the soul. And for those of you that have had walk-ins, let me know in the comments about this, because there are so many of you that I have worked with, that I have talked to, dearest friends of mine that have had major, massive walk-in experiences. And while, yes, this is for the greater good and for your evolution, it can be very tricky to navigate, because you've got, think about this, a new aspect of you has dropped into the body, literally. And what it has to do is the body itself has to acclimate and catch up to this level of an ascended soul. It has to catch up and mesh. Okay, things have to mesh, integrate, assimilate, and come together. Now, this can be very tricky for a person when this is happening. It's usually not smooth sailing, because many things change in your life. I mean, you can literally feel like, I don't feel like the same person. I don't feel like I'm the same person anymore. You may have loved ones tell you, you don't seem like the same person. You can have things change in you, like you might all of a sudden start to enjoy activities you've never even thought about it. You may stop doing things that you've always done. A lot of differences can happen. I've seen this happen with artists and musicians that either had always played an instrument, for example, and suddenly when the walk-in happened, they don't have the desire to do it anymore. And that, while that may seem like a negative thing, all of this has to integrate and assimilate these changes, this walk-in soul. So my main message to you about this phenomenon that is very, very real, you may have had one of these experiences, and you may begin to understand what has happened to you by watching this video. These experiences can happen. I'm going to tell you the most common times that these can happen. Source energy and the universe will use opportunities to do this exchange, to allow this soul exchange to happen. Now, this could be during a surgery, okay? During a surgery when you're under anesthesia. I've known of many of them to happen at times like this. This could be during a deep, deep, deep sleep. This might be when someone fainted, okay? So it's like you're out for a minute, just long enough for this exchange to happen. And so you literally wake up a different person. Now, you can do there's a lot of really good books out there on walk-ins. One that I really recommend is my dearest friend, Yvonne Perry, wrote one of the first books on walk-in souls. So I'm going to point you in that direction for that particular book, because it's an easy read, and man, will you resonate with some of the things in that. But the main message here is to understand that as difficult as this may be for you, and you not having support around you, people not understanding what has happened, know that this gets better. This gets better because you're integrating. And you know, it may take months to really begin to feel more like yourself, or feel more grounded and more safe in the body and just comfortable. It can take years for some people. But I will tell you right now, if you know what has happened, it takes a lot of the power away from it, and it helps you to acclimate faster, because you can read about it, you can research it, you might even reach out to people that can support you, that have had these experiences, that can tell you, oh yeah, that is par for the course right there. You know, that's what's happened. But remember that if a walk-in happens for you and the natal soul is replaced, this is for your highest good. It's always an upgrade, even though it may not feel like it or seem like it at the time. It truly is. It truly, truly is. And I do know people that have had several of these in their lives, several, and they can tell you stories. It's like, really like, you know, it's almost like they've lived, let's say a person has had 3 walk-in experiences. It's almost like then they've lived 3 lives, you know, because so much changes. It's just a wild, wild concept, but it is a very real concept. And if any of you are struggling with changes right now, not understanding what has happened to you, what all these changes are about, why you're feeling a certain way, why you're feeling distant, estranged from certain people, your habits have changed, you're just different, and you know you are, you might have had a walk-in experience. And so, like I said, I want you to read about it. I want you to reach out. Give me some information in the comments here about it, because it is the understanding of it and being educated on it really, really helps you acclimate and mesh these things together. I'm going to tell you a quick story before I end this video about a particular walk-in experience. And this one happened to a young man that was about 14 years old, teenager. Before the walk-in experience, he was straight A student, top of the class, outgoing. I mean, all of these, you know, just the model child that you would expect. Okay, that's some of it. Well, he had a major heart surgery, so he was out and under anesthesia for quite some time. Now, when he came out of surgery, his mother immediately could see and sense a difference in her child, in his eyes, looking in his eyes. And I've heard this story told, and she said, I felt like I was looking at another child. And so things began, you know, as he healed and came through this heart surgery, different things happened. He was no longer interested in sports and athletics. His grades weren't quite as over the top as they once were, because his interests were different. His entire personality was different. Not in a bad way, ever, but we're just talking about another soul dropping in to take over and finish and complete the missions of what you came here to do. of what you volunteered and signed up to do here on this planet. So that story is a really neat one because it is a young person. And anyway, he's a beautiful, successful young man now, but he had a time of not knowing what was going on with him. I mean, his teachers, for example, were like, this isn't even the same kid. You know, this is not the same child. But it was indeed the same child with a lot of acclimating to be done. So hopefully you're kind of picking up the gist of this. And again, I know this is one of those concepts that's way out there. I know it is. But when you've had an experience like this, or you know someone that has, and you love someone that has, you really get it. You get it. And this information is becoming more and more and more out there. I mean, you can read all about this. Walk-in souls, walk-in experience, upgraded soul, soul swaps, those kinds of things. So if you're curious, read about it, read some books, but just know that the soul is just incredibly versatile, and so many things are real and can really happen that that are just mind-blowing. We'll just leave it at that. That are just truly, absolutely mind-blowing. So that's my spiel today on walk-in souls. That's just kind of your first brief summary. There's so much detail about this phenomenon that can be talked about. So if you want to hear more, let me know. And in the meantime, I'm going to catch you on the next video.